Heading down here at the Sugar Bowl into their bargain basement during walking warehouse sale. Let's see what we can find. Hey!
Hello! Welcome to the bargain basement at Sugar Bowl.
Woohoo!
Yes! So we have our walking warehouse sale going on, so it means the bargain basement is open. So today is Friday, so we're open. We opened at 9 a.m. We're open until 8 p.m. tonight, and then we'll be open tomorrow for the walking warehouse from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. hopefully. With the weather, we never know, but right now our savings are pretty big down here. So you can save 75% off, an additional 75% off the lowest marked prices in our bargain basement. So we have a little bit of everything here. So we have some kids items you can see in front of you. We have some like Yankee tarts and votives. We have things from the fall season, from Christmas season. We have home decor. We have some Vera Bradley. We have fashion and jewelry. So just a little bit of everything that you can save on, and that additional 75% off on the lowest price. So some of these items, say like a $10 item, we might have already marked down half price, down to like $5. You get to save an additional 75% off of that price. So you would pay $1.25 for something that we normally sold at $10. So that's why it's called the bargain basement. So we are open today till 8 p.m. for you to save that additional 75% off during our walk-in warehouse sale.